Right, Jess, the last two papers that I've marked for you have been stuck in the mid-50s. Let's see if we can push into the 60s this time. Okay, well, 38.1 is what your calculator will say, but because you're dealing with money, you need to add the 0. You've put it on there, so you're not going to get penalised. The length is not meters squared. Meters squared is a unit of areas. All we're looking for there for length is meters. That's right, that's right, that's right. So you've got 3 there. This one is a little bit too low. Now when I look at the ones that you haven't included there, that one you should have included, it's more than half clearly. That one you should have included, as well as probably that one. So there's at least another 3, and that one probably, that you should have included. So that's outside the range of what's acceptable. I was looking for something between 56 and 60. So you're going to get 1 mark out of the 2 there. So total for that page 10. Use a ruler. That looks like it's curved. It should be straight. And use a pencil so that you can rub it out. You're going to get 1 out of 2 for that. Right, you've given me a choice here. That is wrong. A sphere is like a football. A cylinder is right, but you're not going to get the marks. Okay, you need to just go for one or the other. Pentagon is correct. Trapezium isn't. A trapezium is a two-dimensional four-sided shape with a pair of parallel sides. That is three-dimensional. It's called a triangular prism. So you're only going to get 1 out of the 3 for that. 2 for the page. Not good. No, circumference is the distance all the way around the outside of a circle. That's a radius. That's not a diameter. It would be a diameter if it went through the center. This is called a chord, and that is not a perpendicular. Perpendicular are 2 lines that are at right angles to each other. That's called a tangent. Okay, now you should find out and learn those basic definitions. That's right, and that's right. Again, use a ruler. Okay, so that's wrong and that's wrong. Although that's right, the 2 wrong ones are going to cancel that out. A quarter, 25%. Going to be 2 of them. It's not 6 out of 9. There are 15 different, 15 little blocks altogether, so it's 6 out of 15. However, that is your answer in its simplest form, so you will get 1 mark for that. 4 for that page out of 11. That's really not good enough, Jess. You're not going to get anywhere near a C if at this stage in the paper you were scoring so low. X is 8, X is 11. Watch my video clip for that. You should be able to work that out. N times 4, well, it is times 4, but you just need to describe in words. So you need to say, multiply previous term by 4. So you're there, but you haven't answered the question. 27 is right, that is right, that is right, that is right. Good. And we practiced that this week, so hopefully you can do that now. 4, 2, 9 for the page. Correct, correct, correct. Good. You should be able to do exchange rates. If you can't, you need to go on to the site and practice some exchange rates. Don't worry about that, I'll explain that in class. You should be able to answer these questions. Note on that page is poor. Yes, you do. And then know how to use it. I'll go through this in class. 107 is good. You should be able to do that. We've practiced that in class. That's good, that's good. As the age of the chairs increases, the less money they are worth roughly. No, it's not really. Okay, you've got a young one there which is worth a lot, you've got an old one there that's worth a lot. So there's no correlation, no relationship in this particular one. So 4 marks for that. And then watch the video clip. You should be able to do that, and really you should be able to do that as well. Okay, so I don't think this is going to be your best paper, Jess, to be honest. 10, 12, 16, 25, 32, 35, 39. 39, that's very disappointing. It's an F. 6 marks off an E. It's a long way from a grade C. You really need to up your effort, Jess, or you're not going to get the C that you should be capable of.